Come through, Ariana.
Hey, eu a salame, babak no papier, eu a salame, zinzal bem, eu a salame, hey, hey. Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Also, you guys can stop commenting about the intro because it's not going anywhere and I don't really care what you have to say. Anyways, so as some of you guys may have remembered on Instant Influencer, there was a challenge where we had 30 minutes to get ready, and I want to take that to the next level and I want to give myself 30 seconds to do every single step of my makeup look. Now, this does not mean I'm doing my entire face in 30 seconds. That just means that I have 30 seconds to do every single step. I have all my makeup laid out in front of me and I kind of have everything somewhat planned in my head. And I'm also going to explain which products I'm using and why I'm using them before I set the timer, but I will be putting them back in place before I do start the timer because there's no cheating over here. With that being said, before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so I have my timer ready over here for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a BB cream as my base. This is the same exact technique that I had on the show. I did snap there. You guys can't say shit. Well, I mean, you could say something, but I'm not gonna listen. Yeah, so this is gonna be like my little thing. I have not opened it. I'm gonna put it right back where I found it. And I'm actually not gonna use any makeup tools at all. I'm literally just gonna slather it on my face. Technique. So the timer starts now. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh wait, no, wait. Oh, I'm already losing. I'm gonna lose. Oh my god. Was that too much? Oh! I applied too much. Oh my god, this is not even my shade. No! I have 13 seconds left. No! Oh, this was a fucking flop. 3, 2, 1. You know what? Well, actually, now that it's like sitting on my face, it's starting to oxidize. So maybe I'm gonna keep on moving forward, maybe? Okay, you know what? Yes, it is oxidizing. So we're just gonna keep on moving forward. Also, I'm not gonna touch it after I applied it. I obviously applied way too much because I had like no time at all. And you can definitely see like the patchiness going on around here. So the next step is concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I really like this stuff a lot, but I'm a little scared because this is full coverage. We'll see how this goes. This is already a f***ing mess, so whatever. All right, 30 seconds on the clock, and go. Oof. Oh my god, I have 18 seconds left. Wow, actually time to blend it out. Okay. This is stressful. Why'd I do this? Alrighty, y'all. 30-second concealer. What do we think? No. I fully had like 0 time to do my forehead, so it's like a very obvious mask down here and then just like a forehead. We're gonna keep on going. Next is powder. I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Now, I don't know. I haven't really thought this through, but I wonder if I should bake and sweep it off all in the 30 seconds, or if I should just apply it in the 30 seconds and then sweep it off afterwards. But I think the sweeping off would have to be within the 30 seconds. The timer starts now. Ugh. I'm gonna apply a ton because I just need the coverage and I need to get everything matte. I'm like attacking my face. Oh, I'm throwing things across the room. Okay. How much time do I have left? 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, suddenly the base looks good. So I did not have the chance to brush anything off, but actually I don't think there is anything to brush off. All right, so the next step is blush, and I actually think this step is going to be easy. Or maybe that's just me being cocky, I don't know. I'm gonna use the Bellini Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics. You guys can use code INDIGO for 10% off or whatever. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, but I think this one actually will be easy, legitimately. And the timer starts now. Okay. "16 seconds. Okay. I hate this noise. It gives me like PTSD from being at school and waking up at 6 a.m. Worst noise ever. Okay, so it's a little harsh on the cheeks, but everywhere else it's like It's okay. So the next step is bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the Belgian Waffle Palette, also by BH Cosmetics. Timer starts now. Okay. I feel like the cheek ones are the thing that like are the most important. Oh, and my jawline. How much time do I have left? 12 seconds. Ow! I caught my eye! I fully attacked my eye. Can somebody shut this thing up? But for 30 seconds, this looks good, I guess. Next up is highlighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Joya Cosmetics Molten Glow. Timer for highlighter starts now. Okay. I don't have nails on because I'm like giving myself a break for a second, and I can actually open things now. It's kind of crazy. Look at me getting bold talking while I'm doing the highlighter and whatnot. It's not picking up like normal. Somebody help me. Oh my god. Oh, look at that glow. I said cheekbones. Okay, so I'm actually quite surprised that this has been able to hold up, especially with that atrocious base that we did. The next thing is brows, and honestly, I think I got really lucky this time around because Benefit just came out with a brow microfilling pen. I have been trying this out for a couple days without saying anything, but you guys might have seen it, but I was not saying anything. I really like this, and this has become my go-to brow product. It's just like the lazy girl brow method. You can just like sweep it on in 3 seconds, and it's done. I fully think I'm actually gonna be able to get this step done in 30 seconds. So the timer for the brows start now. 30 seconds on the clock. Look at that. It just like makes your brows so clean so quick. Y'all see this? Not sponsored, by the way. Period. Period. Yeah, I really like that. And I have 5 seconds to spare. What's good? Right. Look at that. Brows done right in like what? 15-30 seconds? Fully. Actually less. And they also have like this like really healthy shine. Y'all see that? Anyways, this is not a new infomercial. We're gonna go into the next step, which is eyeshadow. Gonna go ahead and use the Sweet Shop Sugar Cone Palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna keep it light and simple, just like every single other challenge. I'm not trying to die. I literally think I'm only gonna be able to do 1 shade on each eye. But regardless, time starts now. Oh my god, I cannot waste a single second on this one. 15 seconds left. I'm gonna cry. 10 seconds left. I did literally nothing at all. Okay, so what's a little challenge video without a sabotage? Eyeliner. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I guess I really just want to see myself fail, just like everything else in life. So we'll see. I'm actually gonna start with the lid off this time, because come on, eyeliner already takes like 12 minutes. So timer starts now. Oh shit, no, the bristles are oh. Alright, so maybe I just went a little bit overboard, but I do want to point out that these imperfections that happen over here would not have happened, okay, if the brush didn't do this thing. Y'all see that? Sabotage. Wow, I've been robbed. You know what? It's fine though, because Nikki once said, go against the queen, your career be elusive. So I'm still gonna prosper. It does not matter. I'm so scared for this next step, dude. But it must be done. Lashes. So I think I might actually have a tactic when it comes to my lashes. And then sometimes when I do want to try on the lashes just before I actually glue them on, they actually stick because I have residual glue on them. So I hope that that's the case today, and that will save me for the time being. I don't need these to stay on all day. I just need these to do what they need to do right now. Timer starts now. I feel like this is where we're gonna go wrong. You know, I'll fix it later. I'll apply the other one too. T. I cannot believe I did that in 30 seconds. Okay, no wait, no, they're delicate, but they'll do. Maybe if I just press them on. Oh my god! But why does the eye look kind of cute right now? Last but not least, we're gonna do the lips. I'm gonna use my Morphe Liquid Lip Taunt. You guys can use code GLAMFAM926 for $5 off every purchase above $10. This is the last thing before we kind of get our final thoughts and our final look together, and timer starts now. No lip liner today, huh? It's not even. Alrighty, well, this is the final makeup look. I don't know how many steps we actually did. You know, actually, let me find out. We did 11 steps. Let me do 30 times 11. So this mug took me 5.5 minutes through and through. Honestly, not bad. I actually have like no texture on my face compared to normal. Obviously, I'm not as sculpted and I'm not as put together. There's definitely something off about my face. But did I get everything done? Yeah. My brows look good. My skin looks alright. I definitely do think that the highlighter obviously does look a little harsh. And the blush and the contour are just not it for me. Lips obviously look just a tad bit messy on the bottom, and the lashes really saved it. I'm also really surprised by that. I put on lashes in 30 seconds. Today, I have realized that I have no excuse to waste 30 minutes on my makeup every single day. Actually, no, like 50 minutes. Honestly, this was kind of weird for me. I thought this was gonna be more stressful, but also at the same time, it was still more stressful than I thought. Are you guys surprised by the final result? Do you guys think that I could have done better? Do you guys think I could have done worse? Let me know in the comments down below. You know, this is cute and whatever, but at the same time, I'm still gonna take it off in 3 seconds because it's not that cute. But thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram down below. Turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.